Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Desi liquor is traditionally made. We'll explore the fundamental steps involved in its production, from selecting raw ingredients to the final spirit. Understanding this process reveals the science behind these traditional beverages, which often utilize locally available resources. We will cover both the fermentation and distillation stages, highlighting their importance in creating the final product. The journey begins with fermentation, a crucial biological process. Here, yeast acts upon the sugars present in your chosen raw materials, such as jaggery or fruit, converting them into ethanol and carbon dioxide. This mixture, often called a wash, is left to ferment for approximately 3 to 7 days, depending on the ingredients and ambient temperature. Proper conditions are vital for successful alcohol production during this phase. Following fermentation, distillation is employed to concentrate the alcohol. The fermented wash is gently heated, causing the alcohol, which has a lower boiling point than water, to vaporize first. These alcohol-rich vapors are then directed through a cooling system, where they condense back into a liquid form. This repeated heating and cooling process effectively separates and purifies the alcohol, yielding a much stronger spirit. Traditional methods for making Desi liquor often involve rudimentary stills, passed down through generations. While these techniques are culturally significant, it's crucial to emphasize safety. Improper distillation can lead to dangerous contaminants, including methanol. Therefore, a thorough understanding of the process and strict adherence to safety protocols are paramount. Always be aware of and comply with local laws concerning alcohol production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.